Today we uncover why the cube root of 15,625 is exactly 25. No guesswork, just clean math. So let's break it down. So hey math explorers, welcome back to my channel. So 15,625 looks intimidating, but it hides a perfect cube. So we will reveal how to spot it using simple method. So 15,625 in terms of prime factorization, we can write 25 times 25 times 25 or 15,625 as 25 power 3. Now if I'll take cube root both sides, so cube root of 15625 as according to exponent rule, we can write it as 1 by 3 and it will cancel out. So cube root of 15,625 is 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And next video is the cube root of 17,616. So let's start.